Before you make a decision about LiteSpeed web hosting, there are some things you need to know. In this video, I'll walk you through 12 key points to consider before making that purchase. By the end, you'll have a much clearer idea of whether LiteSpeed is the right fit for your website, especially when comparing it to other hosting solutions out there. First up, LiteSpeed is known for its speed. It boasts faster load times compared to many traditional hosting services, thanks to its proprietary technology. When compared to the likes of Apache or Nginx, LiteSpeed can handle more traffic and resource-heavy websites without slowing down. This makes it a great choice for websites aiming to scale quickly. The second thing to consider is its compatibility with WordPress. If you're using WordPress, LiteSpeed comes with some powerful optimizations. It's known for running WordPress faster, especially with its LSCache plugin. This plugin can save you tons of time by speeding up page load times and improving performance. It's a competitive edge over other hosting providers that don't offer integrated caching systems. Next, LiteSpeed is secure. One of the key features that sets it apart is its built-in security mechanisms like anti-DDoS protection and the ability to block bots. These features can protect your site from cyber attacks, and when compared to other hosts, LiteSpeed offers a more proactive approach to security, making it a solid choice for anyone serious about safeguarding their website. The fourth thing you need to know is about pricing. LiteSpeed tends to be pricier than more basic hosting options like shared hosting from providers like Bluehost or SiteGround. However, considering the speed, scalability, and security, many users find the price worth it. That said, if you're just starting out and your budget is tight, LiteSpeed might not be the most affordable option, especially when compared to other entry-level hosting solutions. Now let's talk about customer support. LiteSpeed offers robust support with 24/7 access to their team via live chat, email, and phone. Their response times are generally quick, and they're known for offering solid troubleshooting help. This is a point where some competitors, like HostGator, fall short. So if support is important to you, LiteSpeed could be a great fit. The sixth thing to consider is server performance. LiteSpeed is known for its performance in high-traffic situations. If you anticipate your site growing quickly, LiteSpeed servers are capable of handling the extra load much better than shared hosting options. This can help you avoid site crashes as your audience grows. Next, LiteSpeed allows you to manage multiple websites easily. Their panel is user-friendly, and you can manage several domains and websites without extra complexity. For users who are running multiple projects, this can be a major advantage compared to other hosts, where managing several websites can become a nightmare. The eighth thing to note is LiteSpeed's caching abilities. Its built-in LSCache is one of the best in the industry, especially when paired with WordPress. This can significantly reduce load times without needing additional caching plugins, which is a major perk compared to competitors who require separate third-party solutions. Now, for the ninth point, let's talk about scalability. LiteSpeed is known for offering a high level of scalability. Whether you're starting out with a small blog or you're managing an enterprise-level site, LiteSpeed servers can scale up as your needs grow. This flexibility is a great feature, especially compared to more rigid hosting providers like GoDaddy, who often struggle to keep up with larger sites. The 10th thing is ease of use. LiteSpeed is relatively easy to set up, but it does require some technical knowledge. If you're not familiar with web hosting or server management, you might find it a bit challenging at first. Compared to others like Wix, which offers more user-friendly solutions, LiteSpeed can be a bit more complex for beginners. Next, LiteSpeed integrates with a wide range of third-party applications. Whether you're using e-commerce platforms like WooCommerce or integrating with various analytics tools, LiteSpeed provides good compatibility. For anyone who's using multiple apps for their website, this can be a big bonus. The 12th and final thing to know is that LiteSpeed is a great choice for performance, but it's not for everyone. If you're on a tight budget or running a small website with low traffic, there are cheaper options available that might meet your needs. However, for those looking to scale, secure their site, and get superior speed, LiteSpeed is a solid investment. In conclusion, LiteSpeed is a fantastic choice for websites that need speed, scalability,